How to pin chats on Instagram. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that you have the latest version of the Instagram application on your device so that there are no glitches while using the application. Now, as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So I'm just going to tap on open and it will lead me to the home page of Instagram application. Now just go to the chat section or the DM section over here at top right corner. Then you can just tap on the profile that you want to pin the chat. Now as you can see, there's no direct option of having the option to pin the chats. So we're just going to go and check if we can pin the chat specifically. Now tap on the chat and as you can see, there's no option of pinning the chats on Instagram over when you go into the profile as well. So there's no direct way to pin the chats on Instagram for now. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.